Imagine opening your fridge and seeing healthy, delicious meals ready to go. That's the magic of meal prepping. This practice not only saves time, but also encourages healthier eating habits. By planning your meals in advance, you reduce the temptation to grab unhealthy snacks or fast food. It empowers you to control your portions and ingredients, leading to better nutrition. Meal prepping also helps save money. By buying groceries in bulk and preparing meals yourself, you avoid costly takeout expenses. You can enjoy a week's worth of lunches and dinners without breaking the bank. Moreover, meal prepping eliminates food waste. When you plan your meals, you buy only what you need, ensuring that food doesn't spoil in the fridge. It fosters creativity in the kitchen. Try new recipes and flavors without the stress of last-minute cooking. Finally, meal prepping can enhance your mental well-being. Knowing your meals are ready takes a significant load off your mind during busy weeks. It frees up time for other activities, whether that's exercise, family time, or hobbies. Embrace meal prepping and experience a whirlwind of benefits that can transform your lifestyle today.